How is kosher catering standardized across the globe? Imagine planning a big event where everyone can enjoy the food without worry. How do caterers across different countries make sure the food is truly kosher? Let's find out. Kosher catering is based on strict rules called Kashrut, which come from Jewish laws in the Torah. These laws tell us what foods are allowed, how they must be prepared, and how they should be served. To keep things consistent worldwide, several key steps are followed. First, there are recognized kosher certification agencies. These organizations employ trained supervisors called Mashgiachs. They watch over the entire process, from selecting ingredients to cooking and serving, making sure all laws are followed. These agencies are trusted across many countries, so the standards stay high everywhere. Second, separating meat and dairy is a core rule. Caterers use different utensils, pots, and dishes for each. They also wait a certain amount of time between serving meat and dairy dishes. This waiting period can be 1 to 6 hours depending on tradition. Third, only kosher certified ingredients are used. Meat must come from animals slaughtered by a trained shohet according to Jewish law. The meat is then soaked and salted to remove all blood. Dairy products must also be from kosher animals, and foods like fruits, vegetables, and fish with fins and scales are considered parva, meaning neutral. Non-kosher foods like pork and shellfish are never allowed. Fourth, kitchens and equipment must be kosher certified. This means they are inspected and prepared to prevent any contact with non-kosher items. Many caterers have separate kitchens or designated areas for meat and dairy. Fifth, kosher certification symbols, called Hechsherim, are used worldwide. These symbols show that a product or service has been supervised by a trusted authority. They help consumers and caterers identify kosher foods easily, no matter where they are. Lastly, kosher caterers adapt to local laws and food availability. They source kosher-certified ingredients internationally if needed. Staff are trained in kosher laws to ensure proper handling and preparation. All these steps help maintain a consistent standard for kosher catering across the globe. Whether at a wedding, a corporate event, or a community celebration, observant Jews can trust that the food meets their dietary laws. This consistency allows them to enjoy meals outside their home with confidence, knowing the food is prepared according to the same strict principles everywhere.